Welcome to BioMars.
Hello everyone. Today I'm gonna explain DNA and RNA. They are very important concepts in understanding biology. Unfortunately, they are hard to understand because of both of them contain lots of related information, like amino acid, proteins, and so on. I can still remember how struggled in the first biology course of university that studied about DNA and RNA. I always okay, I understand DNA, but I forgot what is protein. And then I understand what is protein, but I forgot what is amino acid. So today I will from bigger picture to small to explain what is DNA and RNA. Also, this channel is only about popularization, so I won't detailedly explain their functional structures. So, from DNA is deoxyribonucleic acid, which is double helix. So this is a example picture of double helix DNA. And you can imagine the double helix to the ladder. And DNA is also macromolecules construct with small molecules. So macromolecules is the construction of many small molecules. And DNA require because cells need development, functioning, and reproduction. And what is eukaryotic? Eukaryotic is animal, human, or anything except the cell only made by one kind of cell. So in eukaryotic, DNA present in nucleus of each cell. So what DNA made of? Both DNA and RNA made of nucleotides. There are four kinds of nucleotides: A, G, T, C. A is adenine, G is guanine, T is thymine, C is cytosine. And A have to correspond with T, G have to correspond with C. We can take the latter as an example. As we said before, A have to correspond with T, and G have to correspond with C. So we have to write like this. But we can change the way of the shows, like T, A, C, G. This is okay, but we have to make sure that A have to correspond with T and G have to correspond with C. So let's talk about RNA. RNA name is ribonucleic acid. DNA is a big picture, but RNA is just a small part. And RNA also have three kinds. One, rRNA, mRNA, and tRNA. And rRNA's name is ribosome RNA, mRNA is messenger RNA, tRNA is transfer RNA. They have different functions. mRNAs carry genetic information from DNA to ribosome. Ribosome, just like nucleic, is a small part of one cell in eukaryotic. Yeah. And rRNA is translate information in mRNA to protein to make protein. And tRNAs translate genetic information to protein sequence by delivering amino acid. There are 20 kinds of amino acids we can use